Sir, Cadet RJ Scott from Portland High School is requesting you guys your
1 to
join
10.
for armed solo exhibition. Sir.
Carry on!
Alright, sir.
Okay, so
Sir, Cadet RJ Scott from Portland High School has completed solo exhibition phase and is requesting to exit your drill area. Sir.
carry on!
Alright, sir. Portland High School, sir.